Hey there, bar is open and it's orange themed cocktails today because today is the first day of the Lunar New Year. 恭喜恭喜! Hi, SG Alcohol Guy here, trying my hand at making orange themed cocktails. Now I'm only going to be making 3 different cocktails today because there's no more space on my mat. And the first one is going to be a screwdriver. Let me get the ice. And this is not a very complex cocktail to make. In fact, there's only 2 parts to it: vodka and orange juice. Now while I do have fresh oranges in front of me, I'm not going to squeeze them out one at a time just to get the fresh orange juice component. So instead, I got my hands on 100% orange juice. And I'm not good at cocktails, so I'm actually reading the ingredients from my iPad in front of me. It says 50 ml of vodka, 100 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice, and a lime wedge. Now I'm not going to use lime wedge, so I prepared orange wedges to keep with the theme. And if you notice, I'm using 2 different vodkas. Now, the idea for a screwdriver is pretty simple. Don't use the super good vodkas, but don't use those bottom of the shelf variety as well. Get something in between so that you still have a very flavorful, simple cocktail. The reason why I'm having both is because if you watched an earlier video on how to distill vodka, this is actually a 7-time distilled vodka, which has been so smooth and so sweet that I couldn't bear to drink it. And I'm going to compare it with a Belvedere vodka screwdriver. So here goes. 50 ml. So using this temporary beaker. 50 ml is the first line. There you go. Followed by 100 ml of orange juice. Let me just shake this up a little bit. Go 100 ml and an orange wedge. Next would be the Belvedere vodka. So same thing. 50 ml. I'm just going to reuse this because I'm lazy. 50 ml, middle of my thumb. And 100 ml orange juice. And an orange wedge. So the one on the left is the Belvedere, and the one on the right is the 7 times distilled screwdriver. Starting with the one I poured out first, the 7 times distilled screwdriver. Cheers! Oh, it's very harsh. I can actually taste the vodka. Oh, let me wash it down. Followed by the Belvedere screwdriver. Oh, I can taste the vodka immediately. Oh, maybe 50 ml vodka is a bit strong, but at the very least, you're drinking a cocktail. It doesn't taste like some overly sweet drink that you don't know when to stop. Ooh, this one I'll know. Taste-wise, it really depends on the vodka now. And genuinely, because while this was still harsh, it's a little bit smoother than the Belvedere, and it makes this drink more drinkable. So take note that even while making cocktails, the choice of alcohol really plays a huge part. Let's move on to the next cocktail. And the next one is pretty simple. It's the classic Sidecar. Let's get some ice in this. And the ingredients are pretty simple. 20 ml of this Contral, which is an orange liquor. 10 ml of fresh lemon juice, which I'm going to use the sour mix, which I bought previously. And 30 ml of a cognac. So in my case, I just bought this one because it has a very interesting name, 1848. Ooh, and a pretty interesting bottle as well. I'll do a separate review someday, but for now, cocktail time. Starting with the Contral. 20 ml of this. So 20 ml. It's a lot less orange than I expected. 10 ml of the... Oh, it does have a very strong orange scent though. 10 ml of this sour mix. Again, I'm replacing it in lieu of lime juice or lemon juice. So 10 ml. And finally, 30 ml of, well, brandy. The idea then is to shake it like it's hot, shake it enough to chill the mixture, and then strain into a cocktail glass. So I might have shaken it a bit too hard so it doesn't look as attractive. Let's go all in. And you're supposed to garnish it with a lemon twist. So squeeze a bit in, and it's not as attractive as it looks because, again, I'm not a bartender. But let's see how this classic Sidecar tastes. Because it's chilled, I can taste the orange flavors from the Contral. I can't really taste the brandy except that there's a bit of a burn at the back, so I know there's alcohol. And the sour mix gives that sourish taste to hold all these together. So there's a sweet and freshness of the orange, the alcohol burn, and the sourness, you know, that tanginess that gels. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this tonight. Wow. Best served chilled. Cocktail number 3, the original Margarita. And this original Margarita is 30 ml Contral, 50 ml tequila, and 20 ml lime juice. Well, I'll post the links where I got the recipes from. 50 ml of tequila. Oh wow. Anyway, 30 ml of Contral first. So 30. Oh, just smells so fresh. Could be an aperitif as well, you know, something you drink after food. 50 ml of this, so let's do 40 and 10. 40, 10. Oh, I can smell the tequila. Oh, and finally, 20 ml of this sour mix. Let me start a bit, sorry. Yep. Likewise, shake it till it's chilled and then serve. Now, one of the instructions was to make a salt rim on the glass. I'm not very interested in that, so I'll just taste it without the salt. There you have it. The original Margarita. Cheers. Personally, I I think this recipe can be tweaked by reducing the tequila by 10 ml, because all I taste is the tequila. That being said, because of the freshness from the orange and the lemon, the sour mix, it's still a very fresh tasting cocktail, but I think there's too much tequila for this particular recipe. So I would recommend 30 ml Cointreau, 40 ml tequila, and 10 ml sour mix. Still good though. And there you have it. 3 orange themed cocktails to enjoy this Lunar New Year. Voila! Hey there, thanks for watching up to this point. I just want to state, all these reviews are based on my personal taste, preferences and opinions. They're not to be used as an industry standard. I do however want to find out what you think about orange themed cocktails. What others can you come up with? Other simple ones that you can make at home? Drop me some comments. Let's compare some notes. If you're still here, do let me click on the like button, subscribe button and the notification bell, because I do try to upload at least one new video every week. Plus, if you know of anyone interested in watching such reviews, do help me share the link to the video as well. And this time, I'm wishing everyone a prosperous Lunar New Year with blessings of good health and fortune.